Hey everybody, this is Jim and I'm the instructor for our summer course ALEC 202, Foundations of Leadership Theory and Practice. So I want to take a few minutes in this video to welcome you to the course and highlight the syllabus and also the structure and flow of the course so you can see how it's going to operate over these 8 weeks. So this is Foundations of Leadership Theory and Practice. Our text is Leadership Theory and Practice by Peter Nordhaus, the 8th edition. And this course is really designed to help you understand the relationship between leadership theory and leadership practice. And therefore, as you can see in the course objectives in the syllabus, you're going to identify and describe some major theoretical approaches to leadership. We'll look at 14 of those and how they inform leadership. You'll look at the process of leadership, how the leaders, the followers, the context, and the ways of influence and outcome kind of all merge together. You will learn to critically evaluate some organizations and some leadership challenges as a result of using the theories to do so. And in the end, our goal here is that you'll become very confident in recognizing and practicing theoretical leadership in human organizations, which might be your workplace or family or organizations that you volunteer. So those are the objectives for our course. The assignments, the course is broken up into 2/3 individual work and 1/3 group work. You have regular quizzes, regular weekly reflections. Then you have participation, which it is participation in the group projects, but as well participation in our online discussion and activities. You have a final concept map and theory matrix on all the theories, which is an individual project. And then we have a midterm and a final case study paper that you do, which you do as a group. So everything is listed here in the syllabus that you will need, including a schedule of how the summer course operates. And I want to highlight this for just a moment. This is a fast course, meaning over a period of 8 weeks, we cover 16 weeks of theory. And so we will do 2 units per week, one Monday through Wednesday, and a second one Thursday through Sunday. Now, I'm going to hop over to Canvas if you go onto Canvas, everything for our course is organized under modules. So there you can see the welcome, kind of a course overview here with the rubrics and instructions. And then there's an introductory unit, and then we start into 1 unit for each theory, the trait approach, skills approach, and we will do 2 of those units per week, and everything you need for each unit is all here and uploaded and ready to go. For the weekly wrap, which I'm going to open, this shows how the course operates. We will have, again, 2 units for each week, and each unit will have some readings and videos from the textbook. And then there'll be a quiz. There'll be some discussions for you to post on, plus then post interacting with other students' posts. Then you'll have a reflection for each unit and a section of your theory matrix to fill out. And I provide a video on how to do the theory matrix it's located under the theory matrix on Canvas. So the weekly schedule as it goes is Monday through Wednesday, and your post and quiz on the readings and videos will be due by Tuesday. Then your response post to other students and your reflection on the unit is due by Wednesday. For the Thursday through Sunday, it's the post and quiz is due Friday, and your response post and reflection is due by Sunday. And if we go back to modules, all of the due dates of those reflections and discussions are all here, plus some instructions and rubric for how to do discussion and response posts. instructions and a rubric for the reflection, and then for the matrix, the instructions and a video for how to do that. So hopefully that gives you a very speedy overview of the course, but I'm excited that you're a part of the course. I think it's an excellent course to be learning leadership theory and the various ways that leadership works, and then how that gets applied to organizations. So in the syllabus is my contact information. We'll pull that back up. Here at the top, you can see my email and also my cell phone for texting. And then we'll have a TA, Madeline Moha, and her email and cell phone is here. So if you have any questions, feel free to email or text, and we'll try to answer very quickly because the course speeds right along, and we get started on Monday. So, okay, welcome to the course, and we'll see you online.